3 years into the pandemic, I must admit I was feeling anxious and sad. When you have a lot you want to try, but it has to stop for uncontrollable reasons. But it was getting better. The first few months were okay for me because I had a good rest. The next months and then years have been tough, especially with the situation of how we study. One of the things that helped me cope was my guitar. Whenever I get overwhelmed or stressed, I play my guitar and it makes me calm. It helped me mentally and emotionally. The other thing is walking. It helped me mentally, spiritually, and physically. So now, since we are talking about stress, let me discuss to you the body systems affected by it and how stress specifically affects the body system. According to the American Psychological Association, stress affects all systems of the body, including the musculoskeletal, respiratory, cardiovascular, endocrine, gastrointestinal, nervous, and reproductive systems.
Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part.
From all the 7 stated body systems, I would only discuss 3 of them: the respiratory, gastrointestinal, and reproductive system. In the respiratory system, symptoms of stress are shortness of breath and rapid breathing. People with respiratory disease are the most who should be mindful because even strong emotions can lead to them experiencing symptoms of stress and may put them at risk. Working with psychologists can help people to relax and develop other cognitive behavioral strategies.
A few minutes later.
Organs in the gastrointestinal affected by stress are esophagus, stomach, and intestines. In the esophagus, stress may make it hard for a person to swallow food, resulting in increased burping and bloating. Stress may make the stomach feel pain or discomfort, and vomiting may also occur depending whether the stress is severe or not. It can also make a person lose or increase appetite. Furthermore, stress affects the digestion of foods in our body that includes muscle spasms, which can be very painful. There are 2 kinds of reproductive system. The first one is the male reproductive system, and the second one is the female reproductive system. In male reproductive system, chronic stress can affect the testosterone production, resulting in decline in sex drive or libido, and it can even cause erectile dysfunction or impotence. In the female reproductive system, stress may affect menstruation among adolescent girls and women in several ways. An example for this is the absence or irregular menstrual cycles, more painful periods, and change in the length of cycles.